Hi you guys, I wanted to give you an update on how those green onions did. They are coming up very nicely. They look almost like grass. Like here's a weed next to it, it's much thicker. This is very thin. You can see also at the tops that they have a tendency to look like the very tip of them browns and frays. That's just what they do. Don't worry about that at all. They're going to be nice and straight and have those wonderful white bottoms on them very soon. So here I have nothing here at all because I took the trellis that was here and I moved it over here to the new raised garden bed, which I'm still working on. And then I picked it up over here. So I'll probably just let this go because I've got this bed and then this bed full of green onions. And with green onions, they are a cut and come type of crop. I still have some in my freezer right now and used some yesterday because I made some chili cheese fries. Here, this is coming up nicely. This is the Pinetree, I think it's loose leaf or cut and come again. It was a huge pack. I think it was like 15,000 seeds. So this is coming along very nicely. And also, I didn't do this on camera, none of these lettuces out here. But if you notice, I still have this a little bit squirrel-proofed, because they came out here, got under this anyway, and dug this head of lettuce out. These are supposed to be little mini, and you can tell I'm going to have to get this out soon because it's starting to get weaved here. And I can actually pull this out because the root systems are so shallow. So I was able to replant that, but it's not looking so good. I mean, there's only one leaf at this point. But this is the all year round. I've got it up front as well. We talked about it. This is the French one, which has got that beautiful red pigmentation in it, which comes from chlorophyll in the plants. And chlorophyll makes your plant be whatever color it's supposed to be. So green for lettuce. Sometimes we've got some purple, broccoli, or obviously this is red, carrots yellow, you know how it goes. So I just wanted to give you a quick little update on that, and pretty soon I am going to have to take this out for the squirrels. And this here is oak leaf lettuce, and when it is done, it's actually supposed to look like a tree leaf, oak leaf, but be an edible lettuce. It's very beautiful, so it's be the first time I've ever seen it, let alone grow it. So I am super excited about that. So that is all that I've got going on today. Still pretty chilly out, but I'm super excited about it warming up. And here we've got our, I think this one is a Cherokee purple down here, which is my Ronnie Lee's favorite. So hello to Ronnie, love you, come see me again. Anyway, love you all, hope that you have enjoyed this and that you will subscribe. Thank you, have a great day.